Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 3. Hope you will be fine. It's 29 June today and I am your English teacher Quratulan. Please open your grammar book of English page number 21. So today we will learn about determiners. First of all, what are determiners? These are the words or phrases that occurs with nouns, countable or uncountable nouns, and they are used to express the reference of that noun but not exact numbers. किसी भी अनकाउंटेबल और काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ वर्ड्स यूज़ होते हैं उनको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए उनकी क्वांटिटी, लेकिन एग्जैक्ट नंबर गिवन नहीं होता. ठीक है. एंड नाउन क्या होता है? नाउन इज़ अ नेम ऑफ person, place, animal or thing, and countable noun are those which we can count, for example balls, tables, etc. And uncountable are those nouns that we cannot count, for example oil, rice, snow, etc. At page number 21 we will learn about the concept few and a few. Both few and a few are used with countable nouns, but few is used with negative meanings and a few is used with positive meaning. Here you can see in the given picture, Adam has few friends left, and in the second picture I have borrowed a few books from the library. Adam के कुछ फ्रेंड्स छोड़ दिए उसने, मतलब इसमें नेगेटिव सेंस आ रहा है, लेफ्ट कर दिए उसने, तो इसके साथ few यूज़ होगा. वाइल इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर आई हैव बोरो अ फ्यू बुक्स, उसने लाइब्रेरी से कुछ बुक्स बोरो की हैं, उसने बुक्स ली हैं, इसलिए पॉजिटिव मीनिंग आ रहा है. ठीक है, उसने कोई चीज़ ली है, लेफ्ट तो नहीं की है ना. ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लिटल एंड अ लिटल इज गिवन. Little, both little and a little are used with uncountable nouns. Few and a few are used with countable nouns, and little or a little are used with uncountable nouns. But little has a negative meaning and a little has a positive meaning. For example, I have little interest in music. And in the second picture, please pour a little water in my glass. उसको म्यूज़िक में थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट है, एंड दूसरी पिक्चर में कह रहा है कि मुझे थोड़ा सा पानी डाल दो, तो उसके साथ आ लिटल आएगा. म्यूज़िक में इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो आ लिटल सॉरी. नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज ए. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद डिटर्मिनर्स few और a few. Number 1, there are dash trees left in the forest. Few trees. कुछ दरख्त रह गए हैं तो few इसके साथ आएगा. Number 2, we need a few more chairs for the meeting. Require हैं chairs, तो इसके साथ a few आएगा instead of a few. Number 3, very dash students came to school today due to rain. Very few students. Number 4, please pour dash cups of lemon juice in the dish. A few cups of lemon juice in the dish. Number 5, I have hidden dash candies for you. A few candies. Number 6, Steve is going to bookstore to buy dash books. A few books. Number 7, dash people like the music at the concert. Few people. Number 8, ever since the accident, John only has dash memories left of the past. Few memories. Number 9, you will not be able to finish the test within the next dash minutes. Few minutes. And number 10, Nida is going on holidays for dash days. For a few days. Now come to the exercise B. Fill in the blanks with determiners little or a little. Number 1, a soup tastes delicious. All it needs is dash salt. A little salt. Number 2, the coach has dash confidence in his team. Little confidence. Number 3, please pick me up after 30 minutes. I need dash time to get ready. A little time. Number 4, Hashim passed the exam with dash effort. a little effort. Number 5. Peter is thirsty. He wants to drink dash juice, a little juice. Number 6. Nabil is always in a rush. He has very dash patience, little patience. Number 7. Usman needs dash more money before he is able to buy a car, a little more money. Number 8. Suzanne's business made very dash profit last year, little. Number 9. I always go to my grandfather when I need dash advice, a little advice. And last is, this plant is great for indoor. It requires dash attention, little attention. Okay students, I think it's enough for today. We'll solve exercise C in the next lecture, inshallah.